Hello, my name's Daniel here at Blackburn Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 S-Line finished in Glacier white. This Q5 features the 2-litre TDI diesel engine paired with the S Tronic automatic gearbox and quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering a very impressive driving experience. It sits nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels, and it features LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 550 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,550 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have the gorgeous part leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to the front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have controls for the virtual cockpit, and to the right there's controls to adjust the infotainment system. On the virtual cockpit you've got access to different driving data like your average fuel consumption, and there's also your audio, telephone and navigation that you can access. You can show the map, which is convenient when following guidance. Centered here at the top of the dashboard you have the MMI, providing you with access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively in the media section you can play your own music with USB, auxiliary inputs and Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. There's navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. The system also has compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to keep well connected with your phone and compatible apps on the display. Throughout the interior you have the fantastic Bang & Olufsen sound system that makes listening to music even more enjoyable. You'll find speakers all throughout the interior. This Q5 also has front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera, making parking super easy. Below the display you'll find the free zone automatic climate control. There's also heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the center console you have controls for the infotainment system, the automatic gear selector along with the electronic handbrake, as well as a wireless phone charger. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Audi Q5 S-Line finished in Glacier white. For more information please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.